Yo, first order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This is gonna be $8.50 going 4 miles.
I like your grandma's sweater. Have a good one.
You too, thank you. Bro, when I tell you that I cannot see, it is so dark and foggy. Of course I get this order as soon as I park. This is gonna be IHOP 1125 going just under 7 miles. Pretty high on the mileage, but it also could have a hidden tip on it, so let's give it a shot. My order. Thank you. Bro, why am I handing this to you? Why are you even awake this early? Morning.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Aw, no extra hidden tip, but that's fine. Still a good order. Or not. A customer added a $5 tip on a past IHOP order. Keep up the great work. Okay, thank you. I'll take it. Now that was really worth it. And I just got my next order. This one's gonna be for muchas gracias. $7 going 3.5 miles. Hello, for Will. Yep. Mirador. Bro, why are we doing this today? Also, this is going to an apartment complex and I do not have an apartment number, so you better figure it out, buddy. Pretty sure it's one of these, but I don't know which one. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $8 and some change going 3.5 miles. Yeah.
Uber?
Yeah, 15B.
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order just came in. This is gonna be for Starbucks. $10 going 5 miles. This better be ready for me. Hello. Thank you. Oh, great. Another meet at door. We're just meeting everybody today, aren't we? The elevator's in it. Oh. Dummy. Looks like we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Muchas Gracias and Joe Brown's Cafe. $16 going 5.5 miles. Is this lobby open actually? I never check it. Thank you. You too. Thank you. You too. open. Just about to say it is so slow. And I got my next order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol, $13.75, going 4.5 miles, only one item. Never mind. He wants the big one. Scribble on that line for me. Looks like we're going back to the liquor store. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $10, going 3 miles, 3 items.
How are you? Alright. Did you find what you're looking for? You got a number with us?
Excuse me, do you know where the buzz balls are? Oh, thank you.
You were right there.
Oh. How does that happen? Of course, it's going upstairs. And just scribble on that line for me. It's always upstairs. Going back yet again, this one's going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol, $11, going just under 6 miles, 2 items.
I'm not coming out to go back to the cap.
Oh, that doesn't look right at all.
Then again, it's the weekend. What the heck?
$10,000 for that bottle. Didn't even see their house. Too many trees in the way. Thought this was an alley. Oh, hello. Just scribble on that line for me. I didn't see them coming around the corner. Freaking scared me. Next order just came in. This is going to be for Starbucks. $7, going 3 miles. Thank you. All right, well, I haven't even gotten an order in about 15 minutes now, I'd say. So I think I might just call it here. Current time is 11:27. Current total is 116, and I believe I just have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably around 120-ish. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.